Welcome to all. In the previous video, you see how the Telnetlib module worked. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how we can change the hostname using Telnet and Python code. For achieving our task, you need to copy the Python code from the website. This Telnet example is a simple example of a typical use by the community, which I have copied to VS Code. Let me change the script as per my lab. First, as you see, I import the necessary library files using the import command. Declare a variable for storing the IP address. Declare a variable for storing the username. If you do not know how the input function works, you see a short video which I have created. Use the getPass module which we imported to get the password from the user. It prompts the user for a password without echoing the input. Pass the host variable value into the Telnetlib which we imported. As you know, Python code works from top to bottom. Now the code will read each output from the Cisco device, and when it encounters the login statement, it will not work. If you telnet to a Cisco device, it will prompt the username, so we need to change this in our script. I copied the username from the terminal and pasted it to change the login prompt as per my Cisco device. Now the code will again read the output from the Cisco router, and when it encounters the password, it will read until a given string. If the statement is matched, it will go further, otherwise, it will stop the code or until timeout, if the seconds have passed. Remember, Python 3 by default uses Unicode encoding. Here we have to use the ASCII encoding because this has to be sent to the switch as ASCII characters. Now specify the commands in the right sequence to change the hostname and then exit. Read_all function will show the output on your screen after decoding the ASCII to Unicode. Save the code and exit from the text editor to run the code. Check the file name and execute the code. Enter the username. Enter the password. I think the script has an error. Let me troubleshoot this error. As you see, the script is not working. Now I open the PowerShell terminal. From the PowerShell terminal, I telnet to the Cisco router to check if we can connect to the device. Enter username. Enter password. If you look at the hostname, the problem is here. This looks strange, so we need to remove this error from the script. This type of error in Python is called a runtime error. The error is on line number 17, where I forget to add \n, a new line character in Python. \n acts as enter key after the Cisco command. Now the error from the script is removed. Our previous execution of the script is still running. To stop this, hit the Ctrl+C. Run the script again, enter the username and password. That works well, as you see the result on the screen. Similarly, do the same for all devices in the lab. In the next video tutorial, I will teach you how to get the running configuration from the device. That's the end. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.